Hi guys, welcome to this midday market mood check with me, Nandita, Khemka. Well, it's raining in Mumbai, but it's raining records on the Lal Street, given the fact that the Nifty has edged past that 19,600 mark. The Sensex also cruising along above that 66,200 mark. What's really driving this rally today, of course, is the Nifty IT index. That index is up nearly 2% for a third straight day. In fact, the index is if you look at the cumulative gains, I think the index has gained somewhere around 8% in a matter of 3 sessions or so. If you look at the mid and small cap end of the markets, upbeat small cap index is outperforming the benchmarks up over a percent as we speak. Metals and pharma are the other sectors that are doing extremely well, but it's the banking, auto, and realty pack that's not doing all that well in today's session. Before we talk about the Nifty gainers, let's talk about the HDFC Bank first quarter performance. The numbers have just come out. The stock is in fact at its day's high. Net profit, standalone net profit is up 20%, 30%. NII growth 20%. And if you look at the NPAs, well, they have seen a slight uptick. However, they are stable on a quarter-on-quarter basis. If you look at the provisions, they have dropped on a YOY basis. In fact, the commentary, of course, when it comes to the management commentary, we'll be watching out for, the integration process post the merger. Any comments surrounding that? But all in all, numbers are pretty good. Stable profit and NII in line with estimates, and NPAs, in fact asset quality also fairly stable. Aside of that, if you look at the other movers on the index, we have the likes of Wipro. That stock was up 4%. Tech Mahindra, Dr. Reddy's, Infosys, HCL Tech. So all in all, tech names, IT names dominating the index gainers. On the flip side, ONGC not doing that well, given the fact that the government has reimposed the duty on windfall tax on crude. So ONGC was among the top losers on the index. Aside of that, Moto, HDFC Life, Tata Motors, witnessing a fair bit of profit taking in today's session. Aside of that, another important earnings to watch out for will be LTI Mindtree. This company will be reporting its first quarter earnings. Stock was up and about somewhere around 5% last time I checked. But it's a slowdown in tech spending that may hurt first quarter earnings. But lack of any salary increments may support EBIT margins for this company. But if you look at the earnings, profit growth is likely to be better than its larger peers. That's what brokerages are expecting. Aside of that, if you look at the mid-cap end of the markets, lot of result reactions as well. Bandhan Bank under stress, given the fact that earnings weren't all that great. Slippages rose in the first quarter. So JP Morgan, Jefferies, CLSA, they've all cut target price and EPS estimates for Bandhan Bank. So that stock under pressure. DMart was the other one that is reacting to disappointing first quarter performance. Gross margins have, slipped on a YY basis. Margins, mind you, were once again, under pressure last quarter, and this quarter as well. They have contracted. I think it's a weakness in the general merchandising and apparel segment that is hurting earnings for DMart. That was about DMart. Root Mobile, that stock is under pressure after gaining somewhere around 7%. Now their promoters will be selling somewhere around 57.6% stake in the company. In fact, they'll be exiting the stake, and they have entered a share purchase agreement with Proximus Opal. And this, in fact, sale of equity under this pact will is proposed at somewhere around 1626 per share or thereabouts. So that stock was up 7%, but has now given up all the gains and was down somewhere around 3% last time I checked. Ashok Leyland, another company that is hitting fresh 52-week high on the back of an 800 crore rupee order win. These are largely defense orders, and that stock has hit, of course, a fresh 52-week high. EIL is the other one that has hit a fresh 52-week high because ICICI Direct has recommended a buy rating on the stock, and it sees a 25% upside on EIL. Another buzzer was Som Distilleries, given the fact that its beer brands have got the permission to sell in Rajasthan. So that stock was up somewhere around 5 to 6% or thereabouts. Another stock that was reacting to news flow was Angel One. NSE has barred the company from onboarding new authorized persons for 6 months. This was on failure to, oversee the current authorized persons. So this is one stock that was reacting to news flow and was down somewhere around 5% or thereabouts. Another stock that will be in focus will be Sheela Foam. Remember, Moneycontrol had broken this story that Sheela Foam will be buying out Kurlon mattresses, its rival. That announcement is expected during market hours today. So watch out for that. The buyout may happen in one single tranche at 2,150 crore rupees or thereabouts. That was a Moneycontrol exclusive, and we will be watching out for the announcement on that front. If you talk about the IPO corner, NetWeb Technologies, that IPO has opened today. It will be open till about 17th. And if you look at the subscription figures, 84% subscription coming in on that one on day one. Well, in the second half, we'll have to see whether or not we maintain this momentum and continue to trade around record levels. But as of now, HDFC numbers, bank numbers have come out. They're fairly stable. We'll be watching out for LTI Mindtree. So lots to talk about. At the end of the day at 3:30 p.m. So don't forget to tune in at 3:30 p.m. and watch Closing Bell with Yatin and me as we talk about the market action and of course also highlight the stocks that will be on our radar this afternoon. For now, then it's a goodbye from me. Thanks a lot for watching. But for more news and updates, stay tuned to Money Control.